Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, we learn how to design Black Friday banner or social media post in Adobe Photoshop. Let's start. First, create guidelines on the page. Create solid color and change the color into black. Choose Type tool and click on Page. Type brand name and change the color. Again, click on Page and type tagline. Adjust the size and arrange it as a logo. Now select both layers and group it and type logo. Again, choose Type tool and click on Page. Type Follow Us and change the size and adjust it in the page. Now choose Custom Shape tool and draw social media icon one by one and adjust it. Select this layers and group it, and type Follow Us. Choose Type tool and type black. Change the font and increase the size. Apply golden gradient effect like this. Now apply bevel and emboss effect. Now type Friday and change the font and change the color. Increase the size of text and adjust it. Change the layer into 3D by follow these steps. Apply drop shadow on this layer. Now type limited time offer text and adjust it. Select these layers and group it and type text. Now create body text. Choose rectangle tool and draw a rectangle. Copy the black text layer style and paste on rectangle shape. Type read more and increase the size and change the font and color and adjust in the shape. Select the layers and group it and type button. This is the final look. Enjoy the video and let me know what you think of the design in the comments. Don't forget to like, share the video and subscribe for new videos every week.